This exhibition has been in the works for nearly 2 years. Today we are launching a very exciting exhibition of the BAC's honorary alumnus, Pritzker-prize winning Indian architect Balkrishna Doshi. All the materials that you see have been produced for the exhibition, including the photographs and videos.
I love what you've done here, by the way. This is very special. And the idea of these frames that actually, divide it up.
It's not just simply about the culture of design, but the culture of life and focus on human beings. He produced some extraordinary pieces of architecture, but it is about the experience of the humans that are using it.
Looking back at Doshi's life, all of us have learned the value of layering and immersing oneself literally within something, whether it is our work, travel, or its everyday life.
Doshi speaks and writes about architecture as an extension of life that responds to climate, light, and local building technologies. His work aims to amend disparities between people.
It's so important to see architects' work done in such a different manner, especially for students to see how the drawings, the sketches, the renderings, and then the block models coming into reality.
By bringing this exhibit to the BAC, we would get a source of inspiration for the design community, for our students, and each of us would have a way of dipping into the renewable energy source that this exhibit is.
Who's always such a breath of fresh air and so optimistic and such a damn good architect. You could learn amazing things from him.